topic is going to be the chronological age of both primary and the permanent dentition of humans. And we all know it is much more difficult for the beginners to remember the chronological age. So I am here to make it easier to remember. Let's get into the topic. Before going into the chronological age directly, we should know some basic information about the dentition. So first, let us look upon the primary dentition, which totally contain 20 teeth, where maxillary contain 10 and the mandible contain 10. So which is further divided as 5 on each side. So the sequence of eruption of the primary dentition is A, B, D, C, E. So we are not going to look upon the maxillary separately and the mandible separately, as that becomes so confusing to remember. We are going to look all together. The eruption sequence for the first 4 teeth is mandibular lower centrals, maxillary centrals, and followed by the maxillary laterals and the mandibular laterals. So the sequence is in this way, and the month of eruption also follows a sequence. So the mandibular central incisors erupt at the age of 6 to 10 months, and which is followed by the maxillary centrals, which erupts at the age of 8 to 12 months, and it is followed by the maxillary laterals, which erupts at the month of 9 to 13 months, and followed by the mandibular laterals, which erupts at the age of 10 to 16 months. So the maxillary first molar starts its eruption in the period of 13 to 19 months, followed by the mandibular first molar, which is between 14 to 18 months, which is followed by the maxillary canine, which is between 16 to 22 months, and the mandibular canine is between 17 to 23 months, and followed by the mandibular second molar, which is between 23 months to 31 months, and finally the maxillary second molar is between 25 to 33 months. So the overall sequence is lower central incisors, upper central incisors, upper lateral incisors, lower lateral incisors, and the maxillary first molar and mandibular first molar, maxillary canine, mandibular second molar, and the maxillary second molar. So now you are used to the sequence pattern. So now let us come to the permanent dentition, which contain 32 teeth, where it is separated as maxillary 16 and mandibular 16, and 8 teeth on each quadrant. So before going into the chronological age, let us see the sequence of eruption in maxilla and mandible separately. So in maxilla, the sequence is like 6 and 1 at the same time, followed by 2, 4, 5, 3 and 7. So in maxilla, the canine, that is the number 3, which erupts after the eruption of 5 and followed by 7. In mandible, the sequence is like 6 and 1 at the same time, followed by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. So now let us see the overall sequence of eruption and the chronological age. In the first case, the maxillary first molar and mandibular first molar and the mandibular central incisors erupts at the same age, that is 6 to 7 years, which is followed by the maxillary central incisors and the mandibular lateral incisors at the same time, that is between 7 to 8 years. And the maxillary lateral incisors erupts at the age of 8 to 9 years and the mandibular canine erupts at 9 to 10 years, which is followed by the maxillary first premolar, that is at the age of 10 to 11 years, which is followed by the mandibular first premolar and the maxillary second premolar at the age of 10 to 12 years, and the mandibular second premolar and the maxillary canine at the age of 11 to 12 years, and which is followed by the mandibular second molars at the age of 11 to 13 years and the maxillary second molars at the age of 12 to 13 years. So finally, the third molars, which differs in each individual, but the recorded typical age for the eruption of third molars is 17 to 21 years. So a small tip to remember the initial starting age of eruption of the primary and permanent dentition is number 6, where in primary it starts from 6 months and in permanent it starts from 6 years. In primary it goes like 6 to 10 months and followed by 8 to 12 months, 9 to 13 months, 10 to 16 months, in that order. In permanent it goes like next to next year, that is 6 to 7 years, 7 to 8 years, 8 to 9 years, 9 to 10 years, 10 to 11, 10 to 12, and 11 to 12, and 11 to 13, and 12 to 13. So the sequence, if you remember the sequence of eruption and how the sequence of age goes, you can easily remember the eruption and the chronology easily. So we saw the chronological age of eruption, but the root completion of primary and permanent is, in primary it takes about 1 year after eruption for the root completion, and in permanent it takes about 2 to 3 years after eruption for the root completion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.